Put that wig in my stocking. I got the wig in my stocking.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon.
It's the holidays, get your dollar days, pop a collar plays. I come through.
Today's video is brought to you by NADULA HAIR. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It's still Wigmas, so make sure you guys are checking the pinned comment as well as grabbing your drink for sip and slay. I got my water because, you know, what? So anyway, if y'all want to see how I got this glueless install to look like this out the pack, glueless install like this out the pack, make sure you keep on watching. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Like I said, this unit is from NADULA HAIR. All the specs of my unit as well as the products that I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box, so if you want to check anything out, you can. This is their 7x5 by knot kinky curly coily end unit. Y'all see how those ends look? Okay, very cute and coily. Hello, bounce bounce. I will be wearing this unit out the pack. Shh. Quiet. Y'all know I'm always in a rush, and I totally forgot, legit forgot that I had somewhere to be in about 45 minutes, and I wanted to wear this wig, so I need to get this wig together out the pack. Before I do anything though, I need to give her a ho bath. 'Tis the season to spray your wig down because it does have that chemical smell that's picking up around my nostrils, so let me go ahead and give her a little spritzing with my wig perfume. If you don't have wig perfume, dry shampoo and water does the trick just fine. Make sure you spray her down thoroughly. I am out. Kenny, I need some stocking stuffers. Shake her a little bit, get that smell worked up in them hair follicles. Ooh, child. Next, I'm going to tint my lace. I'm going to use the Black Radiance Contour Palette in the shade medium to dark, and I'm going to use a mixture of the contour and sculpt color. Back and forth, and I'm going to go right up on the edge of that lace, just like that. I will be wearing this unit glueless. Let me take off my wrap here. They ain't fresh? No. Put the cap on. Take off the adjustable straps in the back because I'm going to use, this has a drawstring. Oops, I forgot to show y'all that. Look at that. And it has the lock on there. Make sure you lock it. Lock it, lock it. Let's see how this wig fits. I'm gonna leave in the elastic band where she's at. Take off the adjustable straps, and I'm gonna use that drawstring to tighten it down where I need her to tighten once I put it on. Flip it down. There we go. Are there C-shaped ear tabs in here? You see how it kind of goes down and then curves back? Yeah, okay. I can rock my glasses comfortably. Get my claw clip so I can show y'all real quick. Glasses can sit right on top of my ear without it bending down all weird. That's a little weird, but there we go. I feel like this is a little chunky up in here. I'm just gonna pull some of this hair out right here. Not too much, just a smidge. Kind of break that up a bit, you know. And now I'm gonna use my mousse to tease up my hairline. Ooh, that hair smells good. Thank you. Use my Nairobi mousse to tease up the hair around my hairline, like so. And then I'm gonna break up my hairline by teasing it up like this. There's no expertise that goes in this. You're just swirling the edges and teasing them up. That's all. That's too much down. You want it to be wispy looking. So if it's too much hair down, just push it back up and do it again. You don't have to do this. You can swoop to your heart's content. Put my band around here. Oh, I didn't do my drawstring yet. Let me do that. It fits pretty good anyway, so I'm just gonna kind of lock it where it is and then tuck the excess. For the hair, this is going by really fast. I told you I got somewhere to be. The coily ends look, you know, they look decent. They're not bad. They're just not what I need them to be. So I'm just gonna kind of pull them apart. I need to add some lift up in here. Before I cut anything, bring it all to the front. And then I'm gonna take my bang areas here. And all I'm doing is cutting straight across. About here. Just like that. Fix it up here. So about here for this end. Find your ear, go up and pinch here. Okay? Grab that hair Bring that to the front, and I'll make that same length as my chin. Nice and simple. Added some shape in there. I need to put some in the back. Here's my ear. I'm gonna point it to the back and just go straight like that until my fingers touch under here. About that much hair. Bring it on top of my head and then pull it to the front. It comes down right at my chin, but I'm gonna cut it to the top of my lip. Maybe a little bit higher, right below my nose. Push that to the back. Here we go. I'm gonna spray a little bit of water on here. Now, if you wash your wig, you don't gotta do the water part, okay? It will already be wet. Same Nairobi mousse, put it all over the hair. Those coily ends were really pretty. But once you wash them, they do not pop back in like that. You have to put them back in your wig. Work my fingers through the hair, get out any shedding. Because again, didn't wash the wig, so I gotta get that out now. Got some shedding, yep. We'll trim my end just to make sure it's clean. Like right now it's a little frizzy looking. I'm gonna trim that off once I get all the mousse in here. Use my detangler brush. Comb through the hair. A little bit of, see it right there? Y'all see the little pieces? Yeah, I wanna make sure that's clean. So I'm just gonna cut straight across and get that off of there. Clump, clump, clump my ends. The root is kind of straight, so I'm gonna have to fluff that when it's time. I do expect shedding for this texture anyway, so I'm not alarmed by that. Again, I still need to fix any curls that I need. So like right there, it's a little stringy. I need to cut that off. Some little scragglies got left behind. That's okay. Cut them up. Comb the hair. Use my finger to coil the ends back together. Make sure I get under. Make sure I get my root. Twist it around. Use my claw clip. Clip it back. Let it dry while I do my makeup. This is how the hair is looking now that she has dried down all to the front. I diffused the hair on high and warm, and then I took the diffuser off and blow dried it on cool to break up some of that product a little bit. I'm gonna take my pick and I'm gonna tease up the hair, comb it back to kind of add some volume to it. Get up under there. I don't want to disturb the curls too much. It also just kind of livens the hair up a little bit so it's not so, you know, so perfect. Bring it all to the front so I can see. Scrunch it up like so. Use my hairspray. Hold that up, scrunch it up, and do the same thing up in here. Spray, 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 scrunch it up, like so, bring it down. Okay, take some of that hair out of there. It's too chunky right there. That's how we're looking with that swishy hairline. Take off the clips. Parting space looks pretty decent. It's very far back though. I'm gonna close some of that up. I don't want it to be so long. I should have did this before I did the curls, but that's okay. Hold up. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your hair up. I have too much hair on my forehead. Let me move it back. Ooh. Move it back some. Is that what it was? I think so. I got a big forehead, I can do this. I also feel like I have too much hair right here. Pull that out. Just gotta open that up a little bit. A little more hairspray. And now that I have the curls how I want them, with little to no frizz, now I can pick it going out. Yeah, hair to the front. Shake, shake, shake. Get a little bit more lift right here in the front. And we are good to go. All I want for Christmas is this wig in my stocking. Put that wig in my stocking. I got the wig in my stocking. Ho, 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 give me the wig. She, him, them, give me the wig immediately. This looks great on me. Hello. I think this is going to be a gorgeous unit once it, you know, fluffs out to its full potential. The cut livened up this wig for sure. Y'all know I love me a kinky curly texture. And when it comes to these more affordable brands, the kinky curly is more of a looser texture that is perfect for beginners to work with if you are not hair savvy when it comes to a thicker texture. I don't like saying that thicker textures are harder to work with. It takes a lot more patience to work with a thicker texture than it does a looser one. So once you wash this wig and detangle her, a little product and little finger coils will go a long way. Exhibit A through Z. My hairline could be plucked back a little bit more. It's not horrible. I just feel like it's throwing me off a little bit. Let me put some lace powder in my parting space because I didn't do that. Those bye-bye knots are bleached right here. I don't feel like that did nothing besides let me know that my part is crooked. Maybe this is too much hair right here. What's this? I feel like there's something right here. Let me get this hair out right there. Okay, maybe that's what it was. I had too much hair on that hairline that I needed to pull out. When you start messing with these wigs as much as I do, you'll start to notice certain things and you can tell when something's off. There we go. That's what it was. It was too much hair right there in that middle. We was gonna figure it out. And my curl is very well defined. Thank you. She looks good, and so does that discount. Listen, they give the money off every single time, so make sure you are using that discount to get this one now, right now. I said now. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Nadula Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.